How to delete Fortnite on PS5. First of all, you're going to need to go to the home screen of your PlayStation 5 console. You can do that by pressing the PlayStation logo in the middle of your controller. Once you're on the home screen, you want to click on the upwards button on your D-pad or your left stick, and then go to settings in the top right hand corner. Press X on that, then go to storage, then go to games and apps. And in the section here, to simply scroll down until you see Fortnite. Go ahead and make sure Fortnite's ticked. Then go to the right and then click on delete. Then this should pop up here and you need to click OK. Then it will start the deletion process of Fortnite from your PS5 console. Then once you have done that, once it's deleted, you can go ahead and check this fully deleted like so, and then it will be removed from your PlayStation 5 controller. You won't be able to see it here anymore, but you can go ahead and click on search and then type in Fortnite again and re-download it if you wish. But please do leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos just like this one.